Okay, this is diagram 489 and 476, I think, combined together. This is 49, it's the combination of liquids, mineral oils, neutrinos, solid graphite film, solids, crystal waves, piezoelectric crystals, crystal wafers, nodes, amplify the RF frequency, long-range clarity. You got copper super alloys, and it shows Earth. It shows a outer space signal going long distance to Earth, communication signal, and then it shows to other planets and other galaxies and star systems. It shows flexible bendable metals, dark matter particles, elastic wave, expands, stretches out for large long communication signals. And it says using a copper super alloys, it also retracts your signals as well. And then it says, diagram 476. So I added the two together. And this is what you get when you put two diagrams together. This is the UFO P-Waves Quantum Communications. So, there'll be instructions on my blog, Alien Space Science News on WordPress, which will tell you what you're going to do with all this stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to label it off, rattle it off to you pretty quickly. On the outside edge, you have a magnetic B field there. And over here, it's going to surround this whole thing, okay? And then in between that magnetic B field and the cooled plasma and liquid argon gas, which is this part here, it's going to be like surrounding it, there are crystal grains that are forming. And then it shows piezoelectric crystals and bendable metals formula, nodes, there's Earth there, dark matter particles, copper to copper super alloys, you got mineral oils surrounding your neutrinos, you got crystals, solid graphene films, crystal wafers, you got P waves, elastic waves, expanding, and then in order to make quantum matter and quantum gas, this is the mixture you're going to make in this UFO particle collider, which if I hold this up, you can see going down the middle of the particle collider are crystal cosmic strings. It's kind of like a highway going this way. And then your particles are as follow: ultra-cold gases of molecules, which are going to be colliding in this engine. There's bosonic 87 Rb atoms, 40 cake fermionic atoms, electrons, positrons, split baryons, split fermions, neutrinos, copper to copper alloys, split leptons, preons, and onium. They're all going to be colliding, not only in this engine, but also in a strong Amperian loop of electricity, which is going to generate electrical stuff. It says atoms are going to be interactions strong, which will be double strength. Your exotic atoms will be at a low temperature, which equals superfluidity. The particles that are colliding are going to have a zero charge and zero viscosity. Then we're going to reach our lowest quantum level, which is the ground state in the water molecule gun. Then it shows a proton laser beam gun as well as our RF frequency gun. There's three signals going to all these colliding particles here. And this is all for communications. They have superfluidity fermions, which will decay to 2 gamma rays to 2 photons. It'll be in a low velocity, low temperatures, and this is going to create superconductivity, and the atoms will have a zero loss of energy. And then it shows your P waves in quantum matter and quantum gas. They expand as elastic waves through copper to copper bendable metal mixtures, which is going to equal long distance UFO communications with the laser P wave signals. Okay, and more will be described and instructed to you in the notes. Okay.